Here we have a 2011 Subaru Forester X. Customer's complaint is the engine was making a ticking or rattling noise. What happens on these Subarus is the timing chain tensioners fail. This vehicle has two timing chains. As you can see, it comes off the crank there, goes around both camshafts, and there's a second timing chain behind it that goes off the crankshaft into both camshafts here. These are the adjustments for the camshaft, the variable timing, and as you can see, this tensioner is failing because there's a whole bunch of slap in the chain. So while it's running, that's the noise the customer's hearing right there. And this chain also has some slack in it, but this is the majority of the noise. So we're going to go ahead and replace both timing chains, both timing tensioners, and then reseal all up, and it will be good for the long run. There are updated tensioners available, so we will be using those.